This video will show you how to collect data with the MX-Cube interface on the Proxima One beamline. MX-Cube is composed of areas for login, sample status, centering, and data collection modes. There is also an additional vertical window where you can change energy, transmission, and close the safety shutter to enter the hutch. To begin a session, you first have to log in. Then you have to power on the robot. For this, click on the robot menu to access the Control Robot dedicated tab. Click on Power On before launching Dry and Soak command. Note that other functions associated to the robot control are found in this window. For exchanging or removing your pucks, click on Home Open to open the robot dware. It is also possible to abort a trajectory when needed. The robot message field indicates potential error messages. Then hide the robot tab to bring back the sample centering window. In the Proxima One menu, you can set up preferences and access debugging procedures. For example, you will find in Edit Preferences the fields for the beam stop position and the number of clicks for the centering procedure. In the Edit Processing Prefs menu, you can choose the auto processing pipeline you wish. Several other tasks are available in this menu. To start your data collection session, first click on iSpy-B to synchronize data if needed. To load a sample, right-click on the sample you want to mount and click Mount. The video panel will automatically show you the robot charging the sample. Once done, the view will automatically switch back to the On-Access Viewer or OAV view required to center the crystal. The N-Clicks centering procedure is by default activated at this stage, showed by the yellow cross indicating that you have to center now. Otherwise, stop the centering phase. In the centering zone, you can zoom in and out. You can rotate the crystal by 90 degrees step with the left and right arrows, or by a smaller degree step with the small up and down arrows. You can switch on and off the light. You can switch between several live view cameras, showing, for example, the robot or the goniometer. By clicking Center, you can launch an N-Clicks procedure to refine the centering of your crystal at higher magnification. To check the diffraction and the centering of the crystal, you first need to characterize it. When you have filled all the fields, click on Collect Now. To collect your crystal, just go to the Standard Collection tab. After filling all the fields, click on Collect Now. A progression bar allows to follow the progression of the data collection. When the data collection is finished, a collection done notification appears. For helical data collection, center your crystal at 2 different positions and save. Select the first one and click on the second position while maintaining the control key. Both positions should appear in green. Then click on Create. Fill all the fields and click on Collect Now. For centering with X-rays, zoom at 3 or 4 on your centered loop and set the transmission at 10%. Click on X-Center, click and drag to define the grid, and click on Accept. Once the procedure is done, the seeked crystal will finally be positioned at the best diffracting position. A PDF report automatically pops up showing the strong spots found for each position.